What's something people don't know about robot pets? They can do more than just wag their tails. They can even clean themselves. Let's dive into how you can build your own self-cleaning robo-pup. So, what's the big idea? We're building a self-cleaning robot dog, a clever fusion of robotics, AI, and a touch of pet care magic. The goal? A companion that stays clean all on its own, just like the coolest self-charging gadgets out there. First up, let's talk materials. You'll need a microcontroller, motors, a few sensors to spot dirt, some actuators, and sturdy materials like lightweight plastic or aluminum for the frame. We picked these for their strength, durability, and how easy they make future upgrades. For software, we're keeping it simple. Python or C++ will do the trick, running a custom control system to manage everything from walking to washing. Time to build the base. Snap together the frame, attach the motors for movement, and make sure everything's solid. Modular design means you can swap parts out or upgrade later. Now, the cool part, self-cleaning. Mount dirt-detecting sensors and build a mini cleaning system. Think tiny brushes or sprayers. Test it to make sure it actually works. Refine as needed. With the code loaded and your RoboDog assembled, it's time to test. Watch as your robot detects messes and cleans itself. Future unlocked.